Welcome to a demo of Staff Leave. Here we're going to show you how the app works. So first off, we're going to create a sample holiday request. We start by selecting some dates, and then we summarize our holiday with any name you want. I'm just going to submit that request, and now you see it appear in the My Leave view. And if I want to make a change, I can delete that request over the next 15 minutes before my administrator receives a notification. Now I'm going to book a half day off. I do this by selecting an item on the booking screen. I can either choose AM, full day, or PM. I'm then going to select and type the description for the holiday, which is a half day off ill. And then I'm going to select the leave type, sick leave, which is a non-deductible leave type, so that won't affect my allowance. Once I've booked the leave request, I'm going to jump over to the request screen. This can be accessed either from the More section or the Requests tab if you're an administrator. So I'm just looking for the request I created, which is a half day ill, and I'm going to select the Approve button. This will approve the request and send a notification to the person who submitted the request. I'm just jumping into another sample request, which I'm going to decline, and you can add a customized reason to send a message to your staff member to let them know the reason why the request has been cancelled. I'm just going to jump back to the original booking screen and refresh the view. And that will update the statuses and show the leave that's just been booked. You can also toggle through the various tabs at the top, which I'm just going to show you in a minute, which will filter the view by different types, including pending, booked, rejected, and all past requests. I'm going to select the originally rejected leave and create a new request to replace this original request. So I'm just typing in the summary again for the holiday, and I'm going to send a new request to my administrator. Now, for the purposes of this demo, I'm acting as the staff member and administrator, so I've got full view to delete and manage holidays and approve holidays. So I've just refreshed the view to display the new updates to the request I made. And then I'm next going to show you just some features. So I'm just tapping on the 12 days left to show a summary of my allowances. And again, for the current year, I'm going to tap on the 5 days left, which should display again the holiday stats for the current year. Next, I'm going to jump on over to the holiday planner. This is where we can view everyone's leave across the business. Depending on your leave settings for each person, sometimes they can only see the leave of the same people in their department. If you're an administrator or manager, you may see a little bit more. We do have a setting which we can enable, which allows everyone to see all leave across the business. This setting can be enabled simply by dropping a request to support. But as you can see, for an administrator, you can view all requests across the planner and the request screen, and also from each person's individual leave planner. The leave request section is fully filterable, so you can use the top navigation menu to filter different types of requests that you've made, or staff have made, sorry, including pending, cancellations, approved and rejected requests. Just jumping back to the leave booking screen for a person, they have the full ability to request cancellation. If they're cancelling an already approved request, then that cancellation will need approving by an administrator. If they are an administrator, then the leave request, if it's cancelled by an administrator, will be deleted immediately. Over the next couple of minutes, I'm just going to show you the leave booking screen without any voiceover, so sit back and enjoy the music. So I'm just jumping over to the people section. This is where you can view everyone within the business and manage their profile settings, including holiday settings. So we can enable and disable whether they work during public holidays, weekends, and also amend their holiday allowance. We can also select approvers who have the ability to approve leave for individuals. You can have as many approvers as you would like. You can also issue time off in lieu for an individual. This can be done in days, including half days. So if we were to select 1.5 days, we type 1.5. Once that's done, we'd simply save it, and the time off in lieu is displayed in a list format and then automatically assigned to the leave summary for an individual. Staff leave features a full people directory, including access to email addresses if the privacy settings allow, and also phone numbers if, again, phone numbers are populated. There's also very powerful in-app settings, such as status is for people. You can also set individuals as managers, an administrator, or deactivate them. And all profiles are fully editable. The people directory is fully searchable, and you can sort each area of the business by department. From the people section, you've got the ability to invite or add new colleagues. They will receive an email asking them to join your team. Once they join, they'll receive a temporary password which allows them to log in to your team account and start booking leave. The More section of the app is the powerhouse of the app. It contains all the settings, specifically settings for administrators, such as notifications. Notifications are applicable to every user type. So once you tap onto a notification, it will take you to the destination within the app. These notifications also marry up to instant notifications that you might receive when the app is closed. We also have a full list of settings including calendar export, so this allows you to copy an iCal link to any major calendar program such as Google Calendar or Outlook. This link is live, so it will automatically update your calendar as dates change within the app. We also have access to add your own departments, so you can edit the names of existing departments and also add new departments if you wish. In addition to departments, we have company locations, which I'm just going to tap into now. Now, company locations is a new feature. It's not entirely used across the app just yet, but it will allow teams to be sectioned into their own office types based on location. So in this instance, I can type a name for the location and then search for the address of that location. Moving on from locations, we have the full capability to manage leave types. This includes an array of settings for each leave type, the ability to change the name of the leave type, and also add your own leave types. So customize leave types with your own settings. Is it deductible or not deductible? Whether it's for administrators only. Administrators have additional access to powerful company settings, such as the ability to edit when the leave start month starts within a particular year. So that's leave years which cross over different calendar years. We also have an automatic rollover function, so that would automatically roll over any unused leave into the next leave year. And then we have an employee access control area which allows you to automatically allow specific people with specific email addresses to automatically join your team. Now, if you're looking to import data or add users and past holiday records, we have the full ability to import both leave and users within the app. This uses Excel style templates, which once populated will be automatically verified, and then on import will be imported, assuming there are matches between user records and the data within your file.